Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 men in a tub. But did any of them have the Tallulah Turtle Soap cover by Maggie Weldon? Probably not. So this is an adorable pattern by Maggie Weldon, and it's called Tallulah Turtle Soap Cover. And it says, whether you bathe in the shower or tub, use this turtle when you rub. Then, to keep your soap nice and dry, hang it by his tail so high. So Maggie has definitely got a sense of humor. She has written a poem and put it into her Pinterest post. So I love this already. This is another pattern that you can find on Ravelry.com. So I'm just gonna open it up so we can take a look at the details. I don't know if you've ever used one of these. They do come in really handy, and you don't get like all of those little bits of soap that kind of fall apart. You know, when it gets close to the end and they start to fall apart, you just keep it in the bag and then you can throw another one in there, but you don't waste your soap. You know, I mean, it's really nice. So, okay, so I'm opening this up, and let's see, it looks like this is available from Ravelry at $4 for the pattern, so that's not too bad. I do love that she wrote this little poem. That makes me laugh. That makes me laugh a lot. I'm going to kind of scroll through and see what you need to use to make this. Now this does use thread, which kind of surprises me. Thread is so small. I know that I've made soap covers before, but they were always made with, you know, like a sport weight cotton or even a 4-weight cotton. So yeah, this is like using teeny tiny thread in a 1.65 millimeter crochet hook. So that's pretty small. It doesn't look like we're going to get too much more information off of this page without downloading it, but let me know what you think. Is thread something that you like to crochet with? I have crocheted with thread before. I've made some jewelry with thread, but it's so tiny and it's really, really hard for me to focus my eyes on it for very long, so I usually kind of skip the thread. But I think this little guy is absolutely adorable. I love his little tail and how you can, you know, hang him up by his tail. I think he's so cute. So I would love to see this in like a really bright green, but that's just me because green's my favorite. All right, if you're interested in stitching up Little Miss Tallulah, the soap cover, go ahead and click that link in the description box below. It will take you right to my Pinterest board, and from there you just find the picture, click on it, and it's going to take you right to the Ravelry site. No worrying about ads or scrolling and scrolling through someone's blog. So I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this series and also what you think of this pattern. Is this something that you would be interested in making? All right, until tomorrow's fantastic idea, and it's gonna be great, I'm sure. Have a great day. Bye-bye.